Are you an author struggling to get reviews for your book or audiobook? We all know reviews are the lifeblood of sales on Amazon, but getting them can feel impossible. Friends and family aren't enough. Facebook groups are hit or miss, and paying for shady services risks your entire account. So here's the question. What's the easiest and most effective way to get real, high-quality reviews for your KDP published books in 2025 while staying fully compliant with Amazon's rules? That's exactly what I'm about to show you, with a platform trusted by over 1,500 authors worldwide. Here's how it works. It's incredibly simple. You review other books on the platform. For every review you leave, you earn credits called coins. Then, you use those coins to get reviews for your own book or audiobook. The best part? Bookblaze has an algorithm built in that prevents review swaps, making the entire process completely fair, ethical, and compliant with Amazon's strict review guidelines. So in short, you review, you earn coins, you spend those coins, and your book gets the reviews it deserves. Now, before we dive into what makes Bookblaze truly unique, here are some quick facts. Bookblaze has been around for almost 2 years. It already has over 1,500 active users, and in that time, the platform has powered over 100,000 book reviews and more than 20,000 audiobook reviews. That's proof, not hype. Real results from real authors. And the best part is, Bookblaze has a plan for every type of author. You can choose between annual or monthly plans, depending on what works best for your publishing journey. Even if your book isn't published yet, there's a starter plan designed just for you. With it, you can sign up ahead of your launch, start accumulating coins, and then, once your book goes live, switch over to the book or audiobook plan. That way, you're not starting from zero. You'll already have coins ready to bring in reviews the moment your book hits Amazon. It doesn't matter whether you're pre-launch, newly published, or scaling your catalog. Bookblaze has an option that fits. Now let's talk about what makes Bookblaze stand out. This is the most important part, because it's what separates this platform from every other so-called review service out there. 1. Vetted readers through review. Questionnaires. Bookblaze is the only platform where you can vet your readers through a request to review questionnaire. Here's how it works. When someone is interested in reviewing your book, they first answer questions you've set up. That means you get to make sure your readers are genuinely interested in your genre before they even download your book. Of course, there's also the option to skip the vetting process. If you'd prefer, you can open your book to all readers and let anyone pick it up. That's faster, but here's the trade-off. With vetting, it might take a little longer to find the right reviewer. But the reader you do get is far more likely to be high quality and truly interested in your work. And as every author knows, one authentic, thoughtful review is worth more than 10 generic ones. 2. Support for low-content publishers. This one is a game changer. Bookblaze is one of the only platforms that caters specifically to low-content publishers. If you publish journals, planners, or coloring books, you know how difficult it is to get verified purchase reviews on Amazon. Normally, it's almost impossible. But with Bookblaze, you can actually get verified reviews for your low-content paperbacks, as long as they're priced at $10 or under. That's massive, because not only do verified reviews boost trust with potential buyers, but they also transfer across different marketplaces under Amazon's Reviews from Other Countries system. So if you're selling internationally, verified reviews in one marketplace can instantly boost your credibility in another. And even beyond that, Bookblaze lets you get standard reviews for your low-content books too. Reviewers can download your PDF manuscript, go through it, and leave a review on Amazon just like they would for any other title. 3. Books and audiobooks in one dashboard. Another major advantage is simplicity. Bookblaze is the only platform where you can manage both book and audiobook reviews in a single, easy-to-use dashboard. If you're publishing across multiple formats, you don't need to juggle 2 different platforms or systems. Everything is right there in one place. 4. Exclusive video reviews. This one's exciting. Bookblaze was the first platform to introduce video reviews. Why does that matter? Because video reviews showcase your book in a way that text never could. Viewers can see your cover design, the quality of your print, even the binding, giving them a real, tangible feel for your book before they buy. And here's the kicker. Amazon often promotes video reviews higher in the review feed. Readers see them as more authentic, more premium, and far more persuasive. Imagine potential buyers watching someone hold your book in their hands, flipping through the pages and praising the quality. That's incredibly powerful social proof that can directly increase your conversion rates. 5. Reviews beyond Amazon. And this is huge. Bookblaze is the only platform that lets you get reviews outside of Amazon. You can now collect reviews for your books on Apple Books, Goodreads, Barnes, and Noble Kobo. No other review platform offers this. And for authors who publish wide through services like Ingram Spark, this is a massive advantage. Because let's face it, not all of your sales come from Amazon. Platforms like Barnes and Noble and Kobo are huge. Now you can build social proof across all these marketplaces, diversifying your income streams and reducing your reliance on Amazon alone. And it gets even better. You can even select the exact marketplace where you want your reviews to appear. For example, if your book sells really well in Germany, you can target reviews specifically on Amazon.de. Or if you're reaching Italian readers, Amazon.it is an option too. That's flexibility no one else offers. 6. Audiobook support. Finally, let's talk audiobooks. Right now, Bookblaze supports authors who publish exclusively through ACX, but the team is already working on expanding support to those who publish wide, whether you have codes from Spotify, Authors Republic, or other platforms. That means even more opportunities for audiobook authors to get reviews, no matter where they're published. So when you put it all together, here's what you get with Bookblaze: a platform proven with hundreds of thousands of reviews delivered, the ability to vet your readers for quality, verified purchase reviews for low-content books, checkmark books and audiobooks managed in one dashboard, exclusive video reviews that boost conversions, reviews across Apple Books, Goodreads, Barnes and Noble, Kobo, and more, marketplace targeting down to specific countries, growing support for both exclusive and wide audiobooks. Quite simply, there's nothing else like it. So if you're serious about building credibility, boosting your book's visibility, and driving more sales, Bookblaze is the tool you need in 2025. And the best part? You don't have to take my word for it. You can try it out yourself, completely free. Right now, you can get a 14-day free trial using the link in the description or the pinned comment below. Don't wait until your next launch. Don't waste time guessing how to get reviews. Join the thousands of authors who are already using Bookblaze to grow their books the smart way.